In this quick video, I'll show you how to sell Baby Doge Coin in Trust Wallet step by step. So the first step is to go to PancakeSwap.finance and then click Connect Wallet. Click Trust Wallet, and then once you have connected your Trust Wallet, click Trade here and click Swap. And click here, click Baby Doge, and click here. You can choose any of these tokens, but we're going to choose BNB. So click here and you can set the amount of Baby Dogecoin you want to sell. So for example, I want to sell the maximum amount, so I'll just click max here and make sure that you set the slippage tolerance above 10%, because as per the Baby Dogecoin's economics fee, you will be charged a 10% fee, and you can see here the breakdown of that 10% fee. So you can see here that I have set my slippage tolerance to 13%. And then once you have changed your slippage tolerance, click Enable Baby Doge here. Click Confirm. Then click Swap. Click Confirm Swap. Click Confirm. Go to your wallet here. And as you can see, I don't now have a balance in my Baby Doge coin here. You can see here that I have a $0.00 and it was converted to BNB. And if you have any questions about how to sell Baby Dogecoin in Trust Wallet, leave a comment below.